All right, so I'm going to give you an exercise to help strengthen your core. So what I want you to do is find a mat, lay down on the ground. What most of you have been seeing is like this, where your back is arched. What I want you to do is keep the ribs neutral with the hips. How are we going to do that? We're going to take a deep breath, and we're going to blow a whole bunch of air as if we're blowing out a million birthday candles. Good. So with the power of the air, now our ribs are in line with our hips. You can't get our hands in there. That's step one. I want you to try to hold this to the ground for as long as you can, 45 seconds to a minute. Progression number 2. So what I want to teach you is how to engage your core a little bit more. So we're trying to create a cylinder from here to here. What I don't want to see is this arched. What I want you to do is keep the ribs neutral with the hips. Take a deep breath. Exhale all of that air, keeping that nice and tight. There should be no weight in there. The next step, what you're going to do is slide back your shoulder blades and then head back, chin down. Now, if you want to advance this exercise and make it a little bit harder, you're going to have your feet up in the air, about hip width apart. To advance this exercise even more, shoulder blades still retracted, arms are out in front of you. To advance this step even more, turn it into almost a dead bug. Exhale, extend the leg. Bring it back, take a breath. Exhale, extend the leg. The whole time, you want to make it so you cannot get the hand in there. It has to be as tight as possible. The ribs need to stay down. To advance this one more time, exhale, and then you're doing alternate arm and leg. Bring it back. Take a breath, exhale all that ribs. Keep the ribs neutral. Keep them touching the ground.